Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about essential fatty acids. There's two types, omega-3 or omega-6. Now this, when you consume enough fatty acids from like almonds, chia seeds, avocados, what else I think about? Watermelon, yes, that will help produce healthy skin cells. So when you have healthy skin cells, it actually helps you produce the correct amount of sebum. This prevents acne, prevents wrinkles, it prevents dehydration in the skin. And you can find fatty acids in our Rich Skin Face Serum and also in our cream. Now, it is essential for you to have this. I know people are like, oh, I don't want to have any fatty fats in my diet, but you should consume enough healthy fats so you can have a nice healthy glow. And also, you can consume them externally by applying it to your skin. You can consume it with the serum. Bye guys.